Okay, we got a Super Bee here. I think it's a 70. The reason it's a Super Bee is because it's the B body. That's where they took it from. It's a B body. A body was like a Challenger and a Buddha, and that's the band. So I can talk. You know, it's like we're playing that Hollywood music. You know, YouTube goes. So anyway, this is Super Bee. It's a 69 or 70. 383 Magnum, 335 horse. This might be '69. You know, I started looking at the seats and I said, you know what? It's a '69 because of the seats. The high back seats were in 70. But the back of it fooled me because I'm not as familiar with the Super Bees as I am with Road Runners and GTXs and all that stuff and satellites. But you notice they started taking it's almost like the 70s styling was already in this 69 Super Bee, so it's 69 Super Bee. But these things are easier to work on too, man. God, man. Mopars are easier to work on, man. 4-speed. Anyway, I'm wearing my hat too, Confederate Border Patrol, keeping Yankees north since 1861. In Yankee territory, which is a lot of Yankees down here, man. Why not? You know what? You know they had all these cartoon things back in the 70s with Super Bee and stuff. If they came out with rebel cars and rebel trucks, and they'd sell like crazy with the flag on it and stuff, and, you know, Dixie stuff, they would. I mean, it wouldn't sell up north maybe, but maybe they would. Some people up north would buy them anyway. They're too afraid to freaking put stuff out. They don't even put stuff out like this anymore, you know? They used to have the colors of these cars were really wild, like crazy yellows and oranges and shocking blues and purple plum and all that other kind of garbage and wild greens. Grabber green was on a Ford. You know, hey,